Hello दोस्तों, वेलकम टू द रमन स्टडी सेंटर. टुडे आई विल टॉक you if and else conditions. Why we use if and else, and why we use the conditional statement in CISA. If else condition basically used for if you want to execute the block of codes. So here we will use the if else condition. So I want to understand you with the example. So firstly we create the class, public class days. Then after that create method name public string. The return type is string. Then method name get date name. Here int day name. Okay. Then after the creating the method, we will use the if conditions. If day number is equal to double equal to, here we will use the double equal to because it in the C# we use the equal to condition with the double equal to. So if day 1 means if the day number is equal to 1, then in that case here it is written Monday. Monday is string type value. Then we will write in double quote. Then now we will use the else if condition because we have a multiple conditions, because Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. In that case we will use the if else condition, else if condition. Here we will not use the else if condition because else or if else condition is basically used for two conditions. First condition is this and else like this, else is this only, because here we have a multiple conditions. So we will use a else if condition. Then else if day number double equal to 2, then it is printed return Tuesday. Then else if double equal to 3, then return Wednesday. Here you can copy and paste the next condition, next day number 3 and day number 4, that is Thursday. Then day number 5, that is Friday. Day number 6, that is Saturday. In the last condition, here the one error is occur. Error is this: if else condition dot days dot get days name int. Not all code part return a value. This that is the problem of if. My next, I want to tell you something. If you will, if I want to the result is that type. If I pass the value 1, then it return the Monday. If I pass the D number is 3, it return Wednesday. If I will pass the 40, day number is 40, it will automatically return Sunday. So in that case we can use else condition. Else return Sunday. Here we can use this type of coding, but it is not suitable. You can easily write here return Sunday. You have to write it within the double quote. That means your class code is completed. Then we go in method. In the method, firstly calling this, in the main method, firstly calling this class. In the class a method is also available. So firstly we create the object of the class is ds equal to this. Then after that, firstly we want to print this method. Then ds dot method name. Okay. Then if I want to pass 1, okay, the return type of this method is string. Then here we will use the string st equal to, okay, then semicolon. Then console dot write line, enter the variable st sol line. Here firstly we will build, then after that we will start in the debug. The output is Monday because here we are passing the 1. Then the value of the 1, if day number is equal to 1, it return Monday. If here we pass 12, the output is Sunday. If we will pass except 1 to 6 value, 1 2 3 4 5 6 value, except 1 2 6 value, 6 number, we will enter any number, it will return automatically Sunday. Okay, so this is the if else condition. Because we are use if else condition for this purpose. If you want to execute a block of ports means if we have a multiple conditions. So in this case we will use the if and else if conditions. Today's session will stop here. Thank you so much.